This is the right mindset you need to have in order to get your very first wholesale deal. On this channel, I have a lot of step-by-step guides to wholesale real estate, a lot of practical steps that I share my screen with you all, that I talk to you all about, because I think that is a little bit more important than just the deeper mindset things. But I think mindset is imperative in order to wholesale real estate. And I noticed when I started getting to wholesale real estate, I used to watch a lot of channels and they didn't give me a lot of practical steps with things. And so on this channel, I talk a ton about practically what you could do in order to wholesale real estate. But now I do want to talk about how your mindset is super important to push you to do these practical steps. One of the mindsets that you need to have in order to wholesale real estate is to believe that you can do this, right? That you can envision yourself getting your very first wholesale deal, getting that check, experiencing the ups, the downs, the rejections, and all the process with wholesaling real estate, and see yourself and believe that you can get that wholesale deal. Because if it's in the mind, then you can bring it out into reality. And this is not no deep spiritual things. I'm not trying to get that deep or spiritual or anything. This is just about simple, hey, I think I can do this. I'm going to try to do this. I can imagine myself doing this. And yeah, sometimes it doesn't work, but I think it's important to have the right mindset. So I'm going to share a few different tips on having that right mindset. So the first tip is to be consistent. Consistency is key in this business. So the reason why consistency is important is because I think when you're consistent, that trains your mindset, right? And vice versa, your mindset does train your consistency. When you have a consistency, like a goal in mind, hey, I want to take care of this, I want to pay this bill, or hey, I want to build this business and end up getting rental income so I can passively, get income from my rental properties, as passive rental incomes can be. The other thing with consistency is that it helps you stay focused. Right? If you tell yourself, hey, 3 months, I'm going to try this marketing technique. Let's say I'm going to try cold calling for 3 months. Right now, your mind has a time frame and it has checkpoints where you have to be. So let's say, hey, I'm going to call 5 days a week after work, 6 to 8 p.m. Let's just say 2 hours. I'm going to do this for the next 3 months. Hey, by the end of the first month, and these are real steps that you all can take down right now, goals. So write this down. So after the first month, you want to say, hey, I want to talk to 500 people or call 500 people, right? And then the next thing is, I want to at least get someone on the phone that's interested in selling. Not that I close it. If you able to close the deal the first month of cold calling, great. But you have to have these checkpoints and you have to have these goals along the way. So, hey, I got interested buyers or interested sellers at month 1. Okay, month 2, I'm going to force myself to try as hard as I can to get on an appointment, either from calls that I had the previous month or this current month. And so that second month, try to get on an appointment. Try to get on an appointment. It's very important if you're not virtually wholesaling to go to the house to experience talking to a seller, being nervous and just that whole feeling. I think it grows you as a real estate investor, especially for beginners. And on this channel, I think one of my main goals is to really get beginners to get their very first wholesale deal, because that changes everything. And so I'm trying to create a community where I'm giving that to you all, where I'm giving you all as much information, the step-by-step guides, practical information, and now the mindset behind getting your very first wholesale deal. Make sure you all subscribe to this channel because I am pumping out content. I have slowed down a little bit, but this year I'm just pushing them out. So please stay tuned, and hopefully these videos help you get your very first wholesale deal, because this economy is crazy, and if you can make a little bit of money here and there, I know for a lot of you all it will go a long way. So mindset. So second month, get in person, talk to the seller. Now the third is to get a property under contract, right? And probably close the deal. if you're able to do that. But even if you're not able to close a deal within 3 months, you had those goals that you reached, right? You talked to interested sellers. You actually went on appointments. You actually did get a property under contract. But for some whatever reason, it didn't close, or you're closing it later. So those are the right mindset with consistency that you need to adopt in your real estate business. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about mindset is, why are you doing wholesaling? You have to have a why. You have to understand, what's the reason behind me wanting to make more money? What's the reason behind me wanting to go specifically into wholesaling? There are a ton of other avenues that you can get started in order to make a little bit more money to provide for you and your family. So what are your goals, first of all, of making money, and then why specifically wholesaling, why real estate? Now, for some people, it may be, hey, I just want to take care of my family better. I want to be able to not stress about paying bills or buying groceries. And down below, you all, be sure to write down your goals. I'm interested in hearing what you all have to say about your goals and the reasons why you're wholesaling real estate. Why are you doing this? Another reason people can do this is because, hey, I want to take care of somebody, or I have this bill that I need to cover, or that I eventually want to just grow this business, right? I want a business where I can hire people on and then scale that business, right? Another thing that you can think about doing, or the mindset behind it, is, okay, why real estate? Why specifically real estate? Some people's reason is because, hey, I want this to be the starting step for me developing homes, or doing new construction, or flipping, or holding rentals. Whatever those goals are, it's good to write down your goals and the reasons why you are wholesaling real estate. Another reason people may be getting started in real estate is because they just want to hold a few rentals, right? So they can pass it on to their own children, right? They want to learn the business. And so wholesaling, to me, is the best way of learning the A to Z of real estate, because you get to work with flippers, you get to learn about contracts, you get to talk to sellers. So there are a lot of moving parts within wholesale real estate that I believe preps people better for getting into this industry. Now, the other thing about mindset is just setting those goals. Yeah, we talked about consistency, we talked about your why, but now you have to set your goals. Okay, yes, we made goals with cold calling. Now let's make a goal for when I'm actually going to get a deal, right? And be realistic. Most people will not get a deal within a month. It can happen, it has happened, but we have to be realistic. There's competition. There may be rules or regulations in your state or city that requires you to get a disclosure or get a license. And so all these things may take time, right? And thinking about other reasons why people get started in wholesaling is because the entryway is cheaper, right? You don't have money for rentals. You don't have money for flipping, but you can save a little bit of money to get started because it doesn't take a ton of upfront capital. It does take money, but not a ton. And so, just going back to your goals, you want to know, okay, exactly when will I get my first wholesale deal? What's my timeline? What's my goal in order to get this deal done? Now, for some people, they stop after a month. That's not realistic, right? I think a lot of people can get a deal done within 3 to 6 months. I say, hey, set it up for 6 to 12 months, right? If you have that amount of time on getting your very first wholesale deal, and you're actively being consistent, you're pushing out marketing, whether that's cold calling, direct mail, texting, voicemails, all these different avenues. You're doing these different things in order to get that very first wholesale deal. And by the way, part of my course, you can check it down below, is I have a section on mindset, and I have a section on setting your goals and writing them down during the course, and just being able to look back at them and say, okay, this is the reason why I'm doing this. Hopefully, I'm able to get a wholesale deal done. Mindset, being focused, is super important, because I think that once you have the right mindset, and once you get that deal and you see the proof of concept, you see, okay, I done all this work, I had this in my mind and it came to fruition. Now, hey, I can get another one. I can do the very same steps I did. I can have the right mindset, to get the second deal, the third deal, the fourth, and so on. Now I can hire up and scale people to grow this business. All right, you all, hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll talk to you all later.